Good morning students. Today we are seeing the 6th standard plant adaptation and modification topic. Before that, what is adaptation? Adaptation are a special feature in plants which help them to survive in a habitat they live in over a long period. So the plants in a specific environment have developed a special features which help them to grow and live in the particular habitat. So these are the three plant adaptation we are seeing in this chapter. One is a tendril, twinners, thrones. Tendril, twinners and thrones. So these plants adaptation in desert and terrestrial habitat. The terrestrial, that is a land living habitat. So first one we will see the tendril climber. Climber we know that is a climbing plants. தமிழ்ல ஏறுகொடி அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. So the tendril, it is a twinning climbing organ of some weak stemmed plants. So the tendril plants, the stem is a weak. So what are the example? Peas and bitter gourd. Peas we know very well, that is பட்டாணி செடி தமிழ் நேம். bitter gourd பாகக்காய் செடி. So the பாகக்காய் கொடி எப்படி இருக்கும்? Stem வந்து வீக்காக இருக்கும். So it coils round a support and help the plant to climb. So one more is a sweet peas, that is the same one piece, bitter gourd. So what are the changes in the sweet peas? The leaflets are modified into tendril. The bitter gourd, the axillary buds are modified into tendril. Axillary buds, already previous classes we learned that leaf la irukkudiya the small one buds like structure is called axillary buds. Next one we are learning the twinners. What are the twinners? The stems are weak. Twinners la stems are weak. It cannot stand erect. It cannot stand straight on the own. So it must climb on any support to survive. So the example is a Clitoria and jasmine. We know very well jasmine, malligapoo chedi. Clitoria, sangupu in Tamil name. So I will show that Clitoria plant to you. Have you seen anywhere the Clitoria plant? This is the Clitoria plant. See, this is a two different colors flowers irukku. One is a violet, another one is a white color. So here it cannot stand erect. So the stems is a weak. Idoda stem வந்து weak-ஆ இருக்கும். So it is standing-ஆ அந்த பிளான்ட் தானாகவே நிற்க முடியாது. ஸோ இதுக்கு ஒரு கிளைம்பிங் ஆர்கன், கிளைம்பிங் பிளான்ட் தேவைப்படும். ஸோ இன்னொரு பிளான்ட் மேலே அப்படியே கிளைம்ப் ஆகி தான் இது வளரும். திஸ் இஸ் கிளைட்டோரியா பிளான்ட். ஸோ த நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் a thorns. The leaves of some plants become fully or partially modified into sharp pointed structure. A sharp and stiff part of a modification of a stem is called thorns. So here we are learning in three examples: agave, opuntia, bougainvillea. Agave, this is a desert plant. So leaf apex of a margin are modified into thorns. Here I showed an example. Have you seen anywhere this is? This is aloe vera. So the agave also look like the same one. The margin of this plant is a modified into, the margin of the leaf it's modified into spines. So the agave also same like this plant. Next, the second one is a opuntia. The leaves are modified into spines, that is opuntia. See this picture. This is opuntia picture. Chapati kalli, Tamil name. கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்களா? So this is the one of the opuntia. The leaves are modified into spines. மேலே இருக்கக்கூடியதெல்லாம் குட்டி குட்டியாக ஸ்மால் பண்ணால் அப்படியே ஸ்பைன்ஸாக மாடிஃபை ஆகிருக்கும். ஸோ the next one is a bougainvillea. Have you seen anywhere this bougainvillea plant? This is Tamil name is a kagidapoo. I'll show to you. This is, I think you all seen this plant. This is bougainvillea. So here what are the changes in the bougainvillea? The stem has sharp thorns. அதோட ஸ்டெம் பகுதியில், அதோட ஸ்டெம் பார்ட்டில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்மால் பண்ணால் ஸ்பைன்ஸ் இருக்கும், முள்ளு முள்ளாக இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ தீஸ் ஆர் த மாடிஃபிகேஷன் இன் பிளான்ட்ஸ். வாட் ஆர் த த்ரீ டிஃப்ரெண்ட் டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் மாடிஃபிகேஷன்? ஒன் இஸ் a tendril climber, twinners, thorns. Tendril, sweet peas, bitter gourd. Twinners, Clitoria, jasmine. And third one is a thorns. So the opuntia, bougainvillea. These are the example. Clearly you read this topic. Thank you children.